Coming along too?
You coming, Ames? Yes, so. Motocross!
Gentle last time, like along here. It's a bit bumpy here,
That's
like.
a bit dodge. Where do you want that? What's over there?
Like we had them along there last time.
Where?
Just come along here. Amy's scared. Yeah, I'd stop there.
There? After.
Like you can get the background in.
Ash! Like that?
Yeah, that's fine, hold on.
I'm so scared. What the more at a swan?
See every day. Look this way. You mean business?
Can I see them?
Yeah.
Sorry, I've got my helmet on.
But I'll probably edit that out.
Oh, aye. I look huge. I look really tall. That one. Can you get a helmet photo?
Yeah.
Because you can see my whole face, which is a bit. Nobody wants to see that.
You look like a robber.
What's that?
You look like a robber.
The nail thing. In the nail thing.
Oh look, we can get that jobby in the background. We can get the jobby in the background, look. Fuck it, I'll put your helmet back on.
Oh, don't worry, I'm going to. There's no. And this is why I never put makeup on the bike, because it just all comes off.
I know.
Me too. See it mascara shit. It's horrible. So about the natural shots.
No, don't you dare post that. Oh my god. I'll actually keep you post that.
Is that flash bright?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, look, that's cool that. You can come walk, you like stand over there as
Oh,
well.
that's cool.
This is a money shot.
Nice. That is a good picture, to be fair. I wish I had a fucking balaclava. I've not got a balaclava.
I was a snood. I don't know how you
Get
guys
this
did
dude.
a snood run.
You did not just take a photo of me.
No, I took it down the way.
please.
Alright.
I don't think I've got
I
a
need
snood
help.
in
I can't move.
We're going to show
Wait,
him.
let me pull the front of it like that. Right. Oh my god, you're not wearing a Ruroc balaclava. The absolute shame. Get that hidden.
Oh, I'm putting my helmet on.
I should have brought myself
I don't know where my snood is. I had an Alpine Star one and it's fucking disappeared. On the bike, you can get one in the front of the bike.
Yeah, cool.
Wait, but Brett, can we not get all three bikes lined up like that?
Yeah, we will in a second. I can't multitask just
Sorry,
now.
I've come down.
That's alright. Just leave it there.
Your bike.
I actually don't care.
Oh, it sounded like a party there.
You did?
I'll put my gloves on.
Yeah, you need to look like that. We're badass.
I look like a wee boy with my jumper on.
We'll call you Adam.
Andy.
Look this way a second. Hang on a second. See, it's perfect with flash. And look at your eyes, hold on.
Iron Brew Fruit.
Yeah, that's
What
cool.
else used to call you? Iron Brew Fruit. What was the other ones that we had?
Didgeridoo fruit.
Didgeridoo.
Is this camera on? Because I'll actually. Oh fuck, it is.
I would like to turn the bikes around.
I'm waiting for them to come.
Is it just my face?
Yeah, well.
Put your hands up like that, that's good.
What?
Yeah.
You actually hit my back.
Look, all three of you can stand.
What? Do you want one with that back? I don't know what to do. Is it
Just stand there, it's fine. Yeah, hug each other.
I need to put my hug. What do you mean?
Just like put your arms around it, I don't know.
Just stand like this.
Be a gang.
Just stand like a wee dip it. I like that. Like, you just stand. Aye, I'll just stand at an angle like that.
Hold on. Yeah, that's cool, that. Look. Free.
Wash my bike. I did not wash my bike.
I want to get
I
a
always
picture
want a
there.
close-up one
With
for
that
that
bit in the background.
picture.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's what we did last time.
I want a close-up of my helmet.
From here to and there, like that.
Look, see like this, hold on.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah.
Move back this way, so we can feel it. Move to the right a little bit.
See, that's cool, Ash, with that big dildo in the background.
And then have that background. It would look good.
Yes.
Are you filming on that the whole day?
That's on.
I'll edit
Why is
it
it
though.
on?
Woo!
Got something
Oh,
to say.
look a wee boy.
Not as much as me, don't worry about it.
Well, I'll get a helmet shot of you, hold on.
It's funny there.
Hang on.
Do you want me to move? Back at the way.
Do you want us to turn them round so that they're the other side?
No, that's fine, we'll get yours in a sec.
I don't want to
The other side does look better.
You can put yours sideways if you want.
That
The way
side's
Ash
a
has
bit.
got hers.
Yeah.
Right. And do you want us just to put them
No, I mean like Ash, put yours here, and you get like the background.
What do you mean? You want me to do
So
that?
you want
Yeah,
this
please.
whole bit
Yeah.
behind you? You don't want that bit where the full road bridge is over there?
Can't really see him.
I can't move this.
Hold on.
Look, that's with a flash.
That's quite cool.
Hold on, like.
Who's she?
Is that?
Who's she?
Got it.
For fuck's
I'm
sake.
sweating.
Oh yeah. It's hot like. Hang on. Did that flash?
Like,
Did that flash?
yeah, but I blinked. Oh no.
Holy fuck. It's proper.
Right.
I've not got it.
It's like the three Ronnies.
Guys, here's my That's what Steve does to me all the time. I'm so glad I got somebody else back.
Oh no, wait. What's that up?
That's cool, hold on.
No, but Dad, I need to put that in a... I have got a balaclava to put on if I need it.
I think you should move your bike a little bit closer.
See, Holly's one's nice in there.
Do you want me to move it closer?
But see, when you go up there, you got like the cast in the background. We'll do it afterwards. It's proper sweet.
Stop. You're pushing me that way. Don't put it on screen.
Right? You want me to do it?
Just wants a photo with you.
Alright, yeah, of course you can. Come on in. That's alright. You're welcome. Thank you, bye.
Hey.
Hang on.
Sweating.
My eyes are streaming down my face.
Look again.
Can we see them? I might need to change my position.
I can see your boobs.
Oh, that's cute actually.
Is it cute? Is it?
Oh yeah, I like that one.
Girls, we need to get one for like there and we can turn round like this.
Aye, with the bike's the other way.
Oh no, why am I hunched over? No, you need to take that again. I'll
Aye,
look
so the bike turn round in that way.
I'll look Quasimodo.
Yeah.
There's no way.
Bike's facing that way and then we turn round and look
Aye.
at him.
Ash isn't happy because...
I'll look like Quasimodo.
Oh, right, let's look.
Ash, you ready? Honestly, ever since I used the flash, it looks really good.
I know, but I'll look like a fucking hunchback in Notre Dame. You need to take that again.
Oh my fuck's sake,
You
man.
need to take that one again. I bent over. Oh, that's disability.
Hang on, keep it like that. I'll go in more. Just look at me. I'll let this. Right, look now.
Then can we look behind us?
Hang on.
I don't know. What can we do?
Just like, aye, look at me, please.
Oh, here, hi. She looks like she's lecturing me, but she looks my thing. It's like, what's going on with your back? And then I'm fucking
See, that's cool with a thing in the background.
Oh, I love that. I love that. That's cute. Oh, Amy has to see. Amy has to see.
Come on, Amy. Hot around. Oh, that's not you.
That's Holly. Does that look different? And I'm moving in that one.
Holly, I need. Can we need this footage.
Yeah. Let's see.
It's actually fine.
Yeah, see how clear it is.
Oh wow.
I seen that. See, very cool there. Like that, then like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, I love that one.
Where do you want?
I'm running a tab here.
How do you get the castle in the background?
No, you go up there, see where the railings are?
Yeah.
One at a time. You can.
Just park here. Like, look, just come up the concrete. Move in the way.
You get the castle because I need to stand back. There. I need it like here. Just you go here. Yeah, that'll do. Then Amy there. I was busy like this the other night.
I know. If it became a bit early. Do you want us that?
Because I did one bike at a time, that's why.
I need my can of popcorn, I'm dying.
Yeah, babe.
This is so funny, everyone's taking photos.
I take it you couldn't go from here.
Where to?
Like,
Oh,
you
no,
can stand
it's-
here. Is this too close to the bike?
It is, yeah, that's why I did like one bike at a time.
We don't transfer over onto the dress and have all three of us.
You could try, yeah.
Like, have three of us in
Can
a
we not
line
put-
that
Do
way.
you want me to roll back to right there?
Yeah.
I reckon if we turn round and face down the way and then have the bikes facing. Like there. Go. Right, aim.
I'm glad I got Holly to coordinator.
What, so that's quite upright? Now we my bike on that, I can go.
Your shoulder.
What do I do?
Right, kneel down next to the bike like you said you were gonna. And then face the front.
No, face this way, it's better, I reckon. Hang on.
You wanted a side shot? Oh, that's nice, I like that. That is nice actually.
No.
Show the cameraman.
Oh wait, I've got an idea.
Yeah, that's cool.
Photographer. We
Yeah,
can do a bike only fans.
Only vans.
you make a fortune.
You fucking would, by the way. Oh, that's actually quite cool. We're like Power Rangers.
Can we do a Power Ranger pose, please, just for a laugh?
We'll do it just standing here and I'll get the cast in the background. Yeah.
I'll
Just
jump in
fucking-
here. I'll jump. Right, ready?
Wait.
You need to count.
I need to do this way.
1,
2, 3, go. Fucking hell.
How'd you get it? Oh
Don't do it again because I need to get in focus.
Right, hold on. I'm going to do a different pose as well.
no! Just do it then.
I might just
No, just you got coming as well.
Right, tell us where to go.
Hold on, right, go. Hang on.
Oh my god,
It's not.
Amy, that's fucking excellent!
It's not in focus, oh fuck. Hang on, need to put. Right, you stay there, please. I'll take one like that.
You got your headphones in,
Yeah.
but you can still hear me. You've not got them on.
No. It's just because I've got my headphones, my balaclava and my helmet.
Right, cool. You don't stand next to your bike, please. Do I need to start doing sign language? Yeah, that's good. Look. Hang on. That's fucking cool. Hold on, I need to try and get your feet in.
Can we put our visors down as well and get one with our visors down?
Yeah, hold on a second. I just need to try and get the right angle. I'll get both of you in. Hold on. This is cool, don't you think?
Ready?
This is nice of you.
Yeah, this will look cool. I want to go.
Put it like you go here and face like that way, then you go next to her. Right.
Right on here. This is like a hole here. Just keep going straight back at that. Aim. No. Ready? Do you think I should move mine back a little bit through?
Amy, go and stand next to your bike because like this is like, and look, please.
Push mine back a little bit just while I'm on it. Is that better? That's fine.
This is like, just pull. I don't know, just hang on.
You want me like there?
Oh,
Is that out of the way?
yeah. Fuck off. In fact, a wee bit more, please. This is cool. Hang on a second. Are you ready? Put your visor down, please. I'll get one like zoomed in. Hang on.
Thank you so much.
That'll be a tenner, please.
Yeah? Very nice. Very nice bikes.
I'm not lady. She called me lady. Thanks, lady. I've got an idea.
Home time.
I'll sit in the bike and you can take a picture of me.
Alright.
Yeah.
You just press the button, like, I'll show you. This is how you know it's focused. So Amy's like the subject.
Yeah.
Wait, I'll stand back.
What do you do with it? Do you half click it?
So like, Amy, look this way please. See how it's got the...
Yeah, and it goes green. If it's green, is it focused?
Yeah. But like some things it picks up the eyes.
Okay.
Hey, that's so sharp by the way.
Whose bike you going on?
I got an Amy's.
What one's the...
Amy's my favourite.
Give me your camera.
Hang on. I'll try and get
Get a good angle.
like here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Just make, like go on your knees if it's okay. A minute.
Yes, master. Yes, master.
Yeah, like that. That's perfect. Just like aim it. I mean, obviously, I mean.
Okay.
Thanks. Don't drop it.
I'm not